Smoking causes many diseases and health problems, including cancer, lung disease, damage and enlargement of blood vessels, blood clots, stroke and vision problems that prompt smokers to think about quitting. Quitting smoking is not easy, as after quitting smoking people experience symptoms of nicotine withdrawal from the body and feel an urgent desire to smoke. Water relieves some of the symptoms associated with the withdrawal of nicotine from the body after quitting smoking, including constipation, cough, cravings for smoking, hunger, and desire to eat. It also helps to expel the remaining nicotine from the body. And because water keeps the body hydrated, the person will feel better in general. It was found that ginseng helps in the treatment of nicotine addiction due to its ability to weaken dopamine, a neurotransmitter in the brain that is associated with pleasure and is released when smoking tobacco. Ginseng tea makes smoking less pleasant and helps to quit smoking. A study published in 2007 in the journal Nicotine Tobacco Research conducted on 209 smokers about foods and drinks that interact with cigarettes and make their taste more or less palatable. It turns out that milk and dairy products are foods that make the taste of cigarettes worse. So drinking milk and dairy products when you want to smoke helps to stay away from smoking because of its bitter and bad tasting. Grapefruit juice. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that prevent the occurrence of cancers caused by smoking. Ginger juice. Ginger removes toxins from the body and may also help fight cancers because it is a powerful antioxidant. It is important to eat ginger after quitting smoking to cleanse the body of toxins. Green vegetable juice. The smoker's body lacks magnesium, as drinking green vegetable juice helps to compensate for magnesium and may also help cleanse the body of the damage caused by smoking, in addition to giving the person a fresh breath. Kiwi and lemon juice. Smokers suffer from a deficiency of vitamin C by 10 compared to non-smokers, so kiwi and lemon juice are rich in this vitamin. Coffee. Coffee is the favorite drink of smokers because the caffeine contained in coffee increases the stimulating effects of cigarettes, making it a favorite drink for smokers. It is recommended to replace tea with coffee for 2 weeks to break the relationship between smoking and coffee. Alcohol. Drinking alcohol is significantly associated with cigarettes due to the stimulating effect of nicotine, which can compensate for the drowsiness caused by drinking too much alcohol, where people smoke a lot while drinking wine or beer and other alcoholic beverages. Therefore, you should refrain from consuming alcoholic beverages when quitting smoking.